every dog has its day. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. This popular proverb is often used to imply that everyone, regardless of their social status, will eventually have their moment in the spotlight. Whether it's overcoming obstacles, achieving success, or simply experiencing good luck. The idea behind this saying is that we all have the potential to make our mark on the world. But how can we apply this concept to our own lives? The first step is to believe in ourselves and our abilities. We must have confidence in our skills and talents, and be willing to take risks and work hard to achieve our goals. We must learn from our mistakes and failures and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. Additionally, we must be persistent in our pursuit of success. It's important to never give up, even when things seem difficult or impossible. It's easy to get discouraged when faced with adversity, but we must remain resilient and keep pushing forward. Another key aspect of this proverb is the importance of being patient. Success often takes time, and we must be willing to put in the work and wait for our moment to shine. It's important to stay focused on our goals and not get sidetracked by distractions or setbacks. Ultimately, the message behind "every dog has its day" is one of hope and optimism. It reminds us that no matter where we come from or what challenges we face, anything is possible if we believe in ourselves and stay committed to our dreams. So let's take this saying to heart and go out. Let's take this saying to heart and go out there and seize the opportunities that come our way. Let's work hard, stay focused, and never give up on our dreams. Whether it's overcoming personal obstacles, achieving professional success, or simply finding happiness in our lives, we all have the potential to make our mark on the world. So let's embrace the spirit of "every dog has its day" and make the most of every moment we have. Result: by embracing the spirit of "every dog has its day," we can create a mindset of optimism and determination that will help us achieve our goals. With hard work, persistence, and patience, we can overcome obstacles, rise to the top, and enjoy the success and fulfillment that we deserve. So let's take the lessons of this proverb to heart and strive to be the best that we can be. Whether we're chasing our dreams, facing challenges, or simply enjoying life, let's remember that every dog has its day, and that our moment in the spotlight is waiting for us to claim it. Every dog has its day, and by taking this proverb to heart, we can create a roadmap for success that fits our individual strengths and interests. By believing in ourselves, staying persistent, and taking calculated risks, we can overcome obstacles and achieve the success and happiness that we deserve. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.